All right, what's going on? Uh, and I would just want to give you a strategy on something I use. I trade the daily time frame on the on forex when it comes to forex pairs because that gives me the best edge in my eyes. But when it comes to futures as well, as you can still use the daily time frame if you mark off support and resistance. This specifically talking to a lot of the new personnel who just got into trading. I would say no, don't go straight. This is, I guess, my philosophy, but I guess my tidbit tips for you if you're brand new to the game. I've been trading about 6 years now. I came from the forex side as well. I've never traded options. I'm just now getting into the futures, but I feel that since I know how to trade already, and I can read a chart, uh, futures is just going to be a small learning curve. And I've been trading futures now for a few months, and I've seen some success with it as well. And so I just want to show you what I've seen and what's given me success. All right, so if you look at it, let's just start back with the week of July 15th. All right, so what I do, I just come mark off the highs and lows of the previous month. All right, the previous week. All right. So if you look right here, and if you go down to the daily, you start off with the weekly, right? Just give me a blank chart. All right. And you go down to the weekly. All right. So if you see right here, all right, and this is the NQ. All right, let's go. We started right here. Let me make this thicker for you so you can see. All right, and this is the start of the week. We'll make it green. All right, and if you can see, look right here. This is last week, right? Well, this is, I did it the week prior, right? All right, so this is a few days, and then all right, so this was not this was last week, but I marked off the week prior. All right, and if you can see right here, I marked this off, and there's prime opportunities inside of here to trade. Prime opportunities. If you look right here, right? Let's just do this, and I'm gonna move it back. Look, this is that Monday, right? Let's start. Say you didn't trade Monday. Boom, look at that. You have Monday. All right. You can see right here, boom. You could have kept this just like this. All right. Then you go to let's go to the 15-minute chart. All right, let's look at this. What in the world? All right, look at that. All right, you can see, and then let's make it sessions. Let's do sessions so you know which time New York session is. All right, go down to the indicators, type in sesh, JRFX addict. That's what I use. Go to the settings up top in the middle, that little wheel. Take off London and Asia. Go to New York. I like to make it gray. I don't like all them crazy colors. All right, and if you look right here, this is Monday, Tuesday, nothing in here. Nothing. If you see it kind of playing around on here, leave it alone. All right, this is 11 o'clock. You ain't trading at 11 o'clock anyway. See what I'm saying? Even though this is pretty wide open, and if you're scalping on a smaller time frame like the 1 minute, 3 minute, there is opportunities here. But you're a beginner, and me personally, I'm not playing around with that. All right. And if you look right here, this NQ actually moved before New York, but you can see how clean that is. You can see the break. Boom. All right, come down. Let's go back to the daily time frame. All right, let's mark off the next one. All right, as you can see, look, it broke down again. Boom. All right, kind of played around again, and then the next week broke out again. Look at that. All right, and let's go down to the 15-minute chart, and you can see, look at that. Starting out right here, you can see good price movement right here. Look, this is consolidation, broke out. Consolidation broke out a little bit, and it made the consolidation range pretty big. All right, trapped a lot of traders in here. Boom, shot back down again on Wednesday. Then I don't know what this mess is right here. All right, but you can see how we drew the support and the resistance line off the closing of the previous days. All right, so if you look, let's find last week. Let's see. Let's find this week. All right. And then let me go back down to 15-minute time frame. As you can see right here, that's when we're going to throw in our 20 SMA. If you can see right here, look at that. Played around a little bit. You can see we see it's a downtrend. We can see this is a downtrend. All right, retracement. All we looking is for downtrends. Downtrends. All right. Bearish movement. All right, look at right here. Nothing played around right here. We was looking for a bearish movement anyway. Little gap right here, still kept coming down. All right, look at here. New York session on Wednesday. Perfect setup. Boom, look at that. 1, 2, push. All right. You got the perfect setup on Wednesday. You doing NQ. And man, let me for shits and giggles, right? For shits and giggles, let's do this. Let's go back, and then we'll go, and then we'll just do a 1. All right, look at that. Push down. You got a prop firm account. You got a prop firm account, and you did 1 contract. Easily got you 2K. I would suggest 150K though for this one, because if it goes out other way, you in trouble. All right. But look at that. 1 contract. Quickly, 2,000 in profit. You still going. All right, you still going. All right. I'm gonna just show you the power of waiting. This is all I'm showing you. I'm showing you the power of waiting. All right, let's go to NQ. MNQ. I'm sorry, MNQ. All right, let's get up out of here and let's go to our weekly time frame. Same thing. Let's get rid of this 20 SMA. All right, look at this. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna mark, that's the previous week. All right, and then that's the previous week. Let's not do that. Previous week. All right, and then let's find out what day we started. All right, we started on the all right, and Friday, right here. All right, if you can see right here, and look. So basically, 15-minute time frame. Look at that. So basically, same thing. Same thing. All right. And if you want a little more confirmation, because I use the 200. Where's my number 5 at? All right. Look at that. Take that number 5. Look at that. On the 15-minute, you can use the 200. The 20 SMA, I use that on the daily time frame. That works well for this. But the 200 works well because it's more. See how clear and precise that is? You drew this from last week. All right. You knew this thing was bearish. All right. You seen overall the higher time frames. Higher time frames. All right. Look for higher time frame bias. Look for higher time frame bias. All right. So this is what I say, because I'm not a good scalper. To each his own. If you scalp or if you intraday trade, like I said, I love doing the higher time frames. But if you look on the 15-minute right here, look right here. All right, you kind of played around. You was underneath here. You already drew your support and resistance from last week. This is your support right here. Look at this. Underneath, are we gonna take that trade? No, because this is support. We don't want to run the risk of this getting close and going the other way. Look at that. All right, Tuesday, kind of played around a little bit. We're not looking for buys right now. We're not looking for bullish movement. We're looking for bearish movement. Look at that. We still looking for bearish movement. All right. Come Wednesday, boom. Look at that. Let's go in here. Perfect. Now here's my setup. Here's my 20 SMA setup. Let's look at this. Okay. Let's go in here. Where's my arrows at? Here come 8:30. That's what we're looking for. Right here. Look. 1 and 2. All right. Let's replay this. Let's replay this on a Wednesday. You was patient all week on a Wednesday. Boom. Oh, let's do 1 contract. 1 contract. Let's say you got the 50K account. You can do 3 contracts successfully on a MNQ. So we'll do that. And let's look for 100 points, because we've been waiting all week for this thing to drop. All right. Let me do that good old hundo. If you're scared to do a hundo, then go ahead and do that 50. All right. Go ahead and do that 50. All right. Look at that. This is where we got in at. All right. Look at that. 670, 79, 580. Look at that. Continue on. Look at that. about 1471. So on a 50K account, you can't go over in one day. You cannot go over on a consistency rule. You cannot go over 1500. So right here is where you want to get out. So that's why I say to be on the safe side, you might want to do two contract sizes. All right, you get what I'm saying? So look at that. Let's bounce back out. And it's the 15-minute time frame. So you was out. You got in around 8:30, 8:20, 8:30. All right, you out in 2 hours. See what I'm saying? So let's just back this on up, back this on up. And if you look how clean this is, let's take everything out. Let's take everything out. This is the start of the week. Look at this. Let me take this up too. All right, so it ain't looking too crazy. All right, look at that. Monday, you came to the market. You drew up your support and resistance. All right, you can see my resistance from last week way up here. Way, and my resistance up here. My support down here. See what I'm saying? All right, and so we're going to go from there. All right, so, and then look at that. Bounce down, bounce. Look, if you've seen it bounce like this off this support, hey, look, just leave it alone. Come back on Wednesday. Come back on Friday. Come back on Thursday. It played out exactly how you wanted it. Let's look how many points they gave us. All right, 2,000 points. All right. No, 700 points. I'm sorry. My bad. 700 points right there. You know what I'm saying? So that's how I use the higher time frame to trade on the lower time frame. Now it's the same thing. If you trade in indices and you still trading Forex. All right. And let's go to Nikkei 225. All right, let's look. So this one right here is kind of consolidating too. You can see all this mess right here. But if you look right here, previous week, all right, previous week, you draw your support and resistance on the weekly. All right, and then you look, let's go down to the 15-minute. Let's see where this week started at. And where is my handy dandy tool? And here we go. And started on the 21st. And if you look at this. Same thing it did on Wednesday, Tuesday and Wednesday. Boom. Played around all week. See, you wasn't trading that anyway. That's 4 o'clock. You wasn't trading right here. That's 10 o'clock. You wasn't trading right here. That's 1,500. You wasn't playing around right here. It came back up. Then that same day on Tuesday night, around 2,300 is boom, where it shot out of there. Shot out on the Wednesday. See what I'm saying? I'm not saying trading is easy, and I'm not saying this method is easy, because sometimes it will fake you out, even when you know that's the way it's supposed to be going. But at the same time, make everything clear for you. Take everything off the chart. Do a regular support and resistance. Support and resistance. All right, again, look, go to the, let's do this again. Go to the weekly time frame on the previous week. See what I'm saying? So like, look, we know last week was bearish. All right, this is starting off this week. All right, watch me. That's on the weekly. All right, so right now, this is what I'm looking for. You can see right here, this week, that's the previous week. This starts the next week. So we're looking for anything under here. So just to be on the safe side of what I say, anything inside of here, leave it alone. Leave it alone, because you have, this is literally 500 points right here. You know what I'm saying? 500 points in between here. Not 5. Yeah. Let me see. Let's be on the safe side. See how many points it is. Yeah, so it's a 50-point move. I'm sorry. I don't know why I was saying 500. 50-point move. In between here, you want to be, you don't want to get caught up in here. And then, next thing you know, it's moving in the middle and you're trying to take trades. You want it to come over here, break, retest, give me that 20 SMA 2 candle lows, and then I'm out of here. You know what I'm saying? And then I'm shooting out of here. Boom. I'm taking that trade downward. If that's the way it's going. I don't know where it's going this week. See what I'm saying? All right. Same thing. All right. And let's go for, let's break out of here. Let's go on the weekly. All right. This was this week. All right. This was last. So let's just go to this week right here. Let's go to the first week close of July. And let's go all the way back. and we trading on that's 15-minute time frame. So if you look at this. This is so clean. See how it played around a little bit that week. Let's do the next. Let's do. All right, and then let me see. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then. All right, and then let's go Monday. Let's just say Monday right here. Yeah. I like to be as accurate as possible. Let's go. Here we go. Boom, right here. And as you can see, let's do the end of this week. Let me see. Monday, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. Hurry up. Boom. Look at that. Pretty plain and simple. All right. Played around all week. Then came down on that Wednesday again. Boom. It went straight downward. All right. Straight downward. Now, this would have been hard to get in. I'm not going to sit here and lie to you. This would have been hard. But if you would have played it raw, boom. And let's do. Ooh, I don't know about this one. Hold on. Oh, that's why it's looking like that because, I'm tripping. 50. See that? Boom. All right. And then there you go right there. All right. Done. Like clockwork. So that's all I'm trying to tell you guys is that that's on the key as well. But a lot of you guys favorite MNQ or NQ. You have to be careful with NQ. If you have a 50K at Top Step account or you have a small account, even if you have a small account on your live account and it's small, they're not going to let you trade NQ anyway because you have to have a maintenance fee for that. But even with MNQ, you have to be careful. All right. But look at this. Support, breakthrough, done. And guys, I'm going to be honest with you. You don't need a trade every single day. You need to show up to the market and look and see what it's doing. But it's okay to sit down and do nothing. All right. You know what I'm saying? And you wait Monday, Tuesday, man, ain't no trades. But Wednesday, boom, like clockwork, you got a trade in there. And you made up what you need to make up profit-wise for the week. See what I'm saying? One good setup for the week could set you up. One good trade, the perfect setup, and it goes your direction is all you need. You don't need more than one trade. Typically, more than Now, if you see something juicy, then go for it. All right. Hopefully, this made sense to you. Hit the like button if you rocking with what I'm saying, or if it makes sense to you. If you tried this, back tested, comment down below. Let me know if you rocking with it or not. And if you do trade the same way, I'd love to connect with you. Make sure you hit us up on the Telegram group because that's where I drop a lot of my trades, especially for the Forex daily time frame. And I drop my trades for Nikia 225 because I trade that as well. Sometimes I trade NQ. It depends on the day and if there's going to be some movement that day. Other than that, you guys have a blessed trading week. Be careful out there. It is the end of the month.